Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It is right after my last picket fence gal sale. If you watched last month's video of styling the booth in August, you heard me talk about I have to have some shots in my neck that are going to prevent me from working on my booth, and I'm a little stressed out about allowing my husband and my daughter to style the booth, so I'm just going to get it done. The shots are next week, and I'm not a control freak. Are you buying that? Are you buying that I'm not a control freak? Anyone? I'm not. I just don't want the stress of my husband being aggravated, my daughter being upset, everybody, you know. It's just not a good situation. This is my deal. It's not their deal, so I'd like to just get it done. So literally the last sales just ended. I haven't even been paid yet. My husband did run some large pieces up to the booth for me yesterday. We're gonna get this thing changed over to fall. September is technically fall, so it's time to get the booth switched over. So I'm gonna show you what it's like to get a booth changed over for seasons. I loaded up Fluffy and we're going to Lindstrom, Minnesota that is. 20 below and freezing rain. So come with me to the shop. We will get all this stuff put in there, and I will show you what it's like to switch over from summer to fall. And here we are. Fence gals. In the booth, and a few things sold last month. Not any furniture. Y'all start praying for that furniture to go. I'm ready to get rid of some damn furniture. Yeah, my husband brought the big pieces up last night. I just have to get things changed over. So for fall, what you're trying to do is evoke a sense of harvest. That's what you think of, harvest, cooler weather. So to change over to fall, I'm going to be putting in some more jewel tones. I'm going to be putting in things like fake apples because it's harvest, apple season, baskets, blankets, fall colors, you know. So we're going to get rid of a lot of the really light stuff. Some stuff will stay. I mean, I kind of love this color, so it dominates the space. This will stay. It's not really a jewel tone. It's more of a turquoisey color, but I'm okay with it. I mean, it'll look fall. I'll get a few pieces in here that really say fall, and we'll get everything sort of switched over, and you can take a peek at what it's like. I'm gonna take some things like this table out. I think that's gonna go to Owatonna with me. It's gonna go to my booth there, and I'm doing that pop-up market of my own in October. So I'm gonna save some of these pieces for that, some of the smaller furniture pieces, and get some pieces in here that are darker woods for fall. So we'll see. We'll see what stays and what goes. My husband took a couple pieces out with him when he was here yesterday that I asked him to take out. If you were a fan of the elephant chairs, they're gone. Can't buy them now. I'd have to wait till Owatonna, because I decided if they hadn't sold this month, I really wanted to take those there because I love them, and I think my people will be in Owatonna. So we'll see. Here's some of the stuff I'm talking about for fall elements. So we've got like the darker, richer colors. We've got more of the natural elements like the woods and the baskets and things like that that are very fall feeling. You know, I mean, I've got baskets that are painted white, and that's very spring looking, and some that are, you know, we want to get more reds and jewel tones and, you know, darker pieces in here. So I've got a few crates that I brought with too, some actual vintage prune crates from like I don't know when they're from. They are pretty old though. So I brought those in to do some staging to make height and vary the space a little bit. This piece back here is getting a fall wreath on it. It's gonna get a, it's not really fall, it's a wreath, it's a natural wreath. So more of the natural elements. So that will help bring this into fall. Even though the colors are lighter, it's gonna have like a grapevine wreath with some greenery on it. So you'll see, you'll see. Made a huge mistake. I never wear flip-flops in the booth because I'm here by myself, and going up and down ladders and things like that is very dangerous when you're wearing flip-flops. I forgot to change my shoes. The funny thing is I told myself, don't forget to change your shoes, but here I am, so hopefully I don't break any glass or fall off any steps. Still runs on Dunkin'. Gonna buy me Dunkin'. I don't know, I'm gonna find a way to get a link for that. You guys send me some coffee. I'm gonna need it. Okay, so changing over to fall also means your metals. So this piece is coming out, the silver, and the oil rub bronzes are coming in. So I don't think a lot of people think about that when you're styling a space, that this is very bright, this has got the more fall muted tones. So I have a lot of pieces that are in the darker metals. Those will be coming in, and a lot of the lighter metals will be coming out for a while, at least till Christmas, when sparkly stuff comes back. So can't forget to price things. Yeah, sometimes I forget to put the price tags on at home, so I always bring some price tags with. If you're gonna do vintage selling, always keep price tags with you. People pull tags, things get lost, things get missing, so it's always good to double check your inventory and make sure everything has a price tag on it. But it is lunchtime. I've got a protein bar and an apple to keep my energy up and some water, so I'm gonna take a quick break. And then I'm gonna keep working. I gotta get this done. And more bubble wrap. Alright, I think I'm ready to be done. It's about 100 degrees. You know, I'm gonna remember this day when it's 20 below and I gotta do this. And I'm gonna be grateful for the sweating right now. So I think it turned out pretty good. I'm happy. I think, you know, I had to get it done super early, so it's a bit of a time crunch, but overall I'm happy with how things turned out. Take a look. Let me know what you think. So overall, I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. It's always fun to change seasons. I like doing the changeovers every month, but when you get to actually do a full-on change of colors and change of season, Christmas season, I'm broke. Seriously, send bubble wrap. I'm out. Something just... Did you hear it? I'm holding on to one piece I didn't get bubble wrap, but I don't know what was back there, but it's in pieces now. So overall, I'm pretty happy. I have been here. It is 4 o'clock. I have been here. I've been at the shop since 9 o'clock this morning, trying to get everything set up. So I am ready to go home, put my feet up, and well, after that, I think I'm gonna grab a cocktail. Send bubble wrap, everyone. I will see you next month. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Let's get around this corner without crashing anything else. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I post every week videos, junkin', where I find my stuff, tips and tricks on styling vintage events, and of course, DIY tutorials coming up, so don't miss that. Click the bell icon so you can be notified. Thanks for watching, everyone. Happy junkin'. Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more junkin' videos.